In the environment that Almighty God created humans with their own will and placed them in, the servant finds a certain range of movement with their own will. Certainly, in an environment where we discover this freedom of movement and observe that we are capable of taking action based on our own volition, a few individuals among us are beginning to consider the concept of presently we have authority. He believes he is the boss, he believes he owns the place, he believes he is in control of everything. They perceive it as a joke. Yeah, and like having autonomy from Allah and being capable of sustaining its own existence and all that kind of stuff. I am from our righteous Senabi Haq, the creator of man, who formed him with his own will and placed him in a carefully designed and perfectly suited environment. Discovering a particular range of motion with its own willpower. Naturally, in an environment where we come across this room to maneuver, where we perceive that we are able to take action with our volition and exercise our agency, now we are getting closer to obtaining control. He believes he is the boss, he believes he owns the place, he believes he is in control of everything that is happening, counting the seconds, yeah, and like completely independent from Allah, having the ability to sustain its own existence without any reliance on external factors. Additionally, some of us also recognize that our willpower is limited and not infinite in nature. So he sees that the power and the real control that provide him both existence and the opportunities he has obtained are in him. Unseen of heavens and earth belongs to Allah, and to him all matter will be returned. Unseen of heavens and earth is in the hands of Allah. The end of everything, the final judgment falls on him, and to him is the return of all things, all of it. When individuals such as these perceive the truth, they deeply revere it. Moreover, they place their trust in him. They never trust themselves. Those guys are confident in themselves. We're in control now, baby. We're checking all, managing all, we're strong. We're jumping to conclusions, they're jumping to conclusions. The world is undergoing this process between these two understandings. One is correct, the other is incorrect. The other one is delusional, meaning not grounded. That's how unbelievers approach things. They consider themselves grounded and solid on earth, confident in their abilities and resources, and see themselves as strong and powerful. They're already going to get what's coming to them. In the scene where the Almighty God describes the apocalypse or a process towards the apocalypse, even when the earth is adorned, displaying its breathtaking beauty in all its magnificent splendor, and she got dressed up and adorned herself with decorations. And the people residing in the town firmly believe that, at this moment, they have gained control over the entire earth and are now the ones in charge. They're powerful, they have a strong grip. So, we're the owners here. The infidels' psychology is like this, their approach is like this, and the thought of controlling me enters my mind with paranoia. That is the reason why it is regarded as superstitious. And the good Lord states, our command comes to the surface. It's like it's completely destroyed, as if it hasn't regained its beauty and splendor from yesterday, and it's a doomsday scenario.